This is the framing hammer. Obviously this is made out of plastic, 3D prints with some metal parts, but it would be ultimately intended to be cast titanium with a wooden handle. This is a 25-ounce framing hammer. Very typical in size and striking surface to any hammer you could find at Home Depot or Lowe's. So the benefit of my invention is that it accepts a set of collated framing nails. This is 30-degree paper taped, full round head, and it can be included with the hammer and then automatically dispensed with one hand into wood. Because this is a plastic prototype, I'm going to be driving into insulation foam today, but it should be able to illustrate the function. So there is a single button on the side here. Also there's a safety, so I can engage or disengage the safety. But this button here will be used to load the nails and actually set the nails. So I can open it up, load the nails in, push them in with my finger, and then the hammer is loaded. It has a set of nails inside. I can accept any number of nails, full clip, half a clip, 3 nails. So once it's inside, I'm going to be striking this like any normal hammer. You can still tear down a wall with this thing. If I engage the safety, nothing is going to happen at all. I can literally tear down a wall, use it as a normal hammer, claw anything. But as soon as the safety is disengaged, this activation button, I can use it to strike the hammer on the side of the head. You can see it's set, and the nails are now advanced 1. So once it's set, I can literally just drive this into the wood, and there is a nail placed into the wood. So I can use the hammer to drive it the rest of the way. I'm not going to hit too hard because it's plastic, but there's one nail, and then next nail I'm just going to do it again, set it, drive it in, hammer it the rest of the way. So potentially a much faster method for hand driving nails.
The Edge Blaster is a revolutionary new tool for quickly cleaning the concrete edge of driveways, sidewalks, garden beds, and other hardscape surfaces. The Edge Blaster will save you time, money, water, and fatigue. The patent-pending Edge Blaster guides your high-pressure spray right to and around the edges of a concrete surface while deflecting the water away from grass, sand, dirt, or mulch. The Edge Blaster can clean the edge of your driveway or sidewalk almost as fast as you can walk. Connecting the Edge Blaster is fast and easy. No tools necessary. Simply insert and lock in your spray tip. We recommend the white 40-degree spray tip from General Pump. Then insert the edge blaster to your high-pressure wand. Make sure your connections are secure. And now you're ready to go to the edge with the edge blaster. Cleaning the edge of your driveway or sidewalk freehand is tedious, makes a huge mess on you and the very surface you're trying to clean, and it wastes time and water. Look how all that is eliminated with the edge blaster. Because the spray tip maintains a constant angle and height from the ground, you get effective deep cleaning right to the edge of your concrete or sidewalk. Flying mud, grass, and debris are a thing of the past. Now that your edges are bright and clean, the infield of your concrete is a snap with your wand or surface cleaner. No more kicking up dirt and mud, creating a bigger mess than when you started. The Edge Blaster is patent pending from Pressure Point Solutions, LLC.
No tools are needed for floating or island installations. For wall-to-wall installations, all you'll need is a tape measure, sharp utility knife, and a straight edge. Each tile comes with 2 border strips, one with a corner piece and one without. Begin in the corner of a clean, hard, and flat floor surface, leaving at least 1/4 inch gap between the tiles and the wall. Foam floors can expand with heat and humidity, and especially with direct sunlight. As you expand out from the corner, remove the border strips with corners. Edge border strips may remain in place as you follow the wall, but will need to be removed for center tiles. Connect your tiles by pushing the puzzle-style interlocks together. It does not matter which direction the tiles face with universal interlocking tiles, as each interlocking edge is the same. However, you may want to pay attention to the direction of the wood grain. Continue working out from the corner until no more full tiles fit. Then measure the distance between the installed tiles and the walls or other obstacles. Mark the tile you'd like to cut with a pen and cut it to fit using a utility knife. Be sure to use a straight edge guide and a sharp blade. Lay the cut tiles to fit flush with the remaining walls, minus your gap for expansion. This will prevent your foam floor from buckling or bubbling. For finished edges on islands or floating installations, reconnect border strips in those areas. Wood grain foam tiles come in 3 different wood grains: dark wood, light wood, and cork. The EVA foam puzzle mats are non-absorbent and easy to keep clean. Simply vacuum without a rotating brush, sweep with a broom, or use a damp mop with common household floor cleaner.
As the name says, you use it to fix posts in the ground. Just one small bag of Sika Post Fix will do the job of 2 big 25 kg bags of instant concrete. No special tools are needed, just a knife, scissors, glasses and gloves. The post should be in the hole, level and braced before mixing. If there is any water in the hole, remove it. Spread the Sika Post Fix bag out flat. The bag has 2 pouches containing 2 different components. Read the instructions on the back of the bag before you start. Then roll the bag like you're rolling the bottom of a toothpaste tube. The arrows on the bag show the rolling direction. Keep rolling until you break the seal separating the 2 components. To mix, simply rub the bag back and forth across a 90-degree angle. Do this thoroughly for 20 seconds, so the ingredients mix completely. Immediately cut one of the corners and pour the postfix evenly around the pole. That's how easy it is. Sika postfix expands rapidly and hardens in just 3 minutes. Because it sets so quickly, you don't even have to brace the post. Once you've poured in the postfix, you have 10 seconds to level the post. Then hold it still for 3 minutes. If there is any excess material above the surface, just cut it away with a sharp knife. Finally, cover with a little topsoil to complete the job. After 2 hours, the postfix will have hardened completely and the post will be ready to work with.
A foam board stapling system is Malco's solution for securing PEX, polyethylene cross-linked tubing, to the foam board base of an in-floor radiant heating installation. The Malco stapler operates from a comfortable standing position. An ergonomic D-grip handle keeps the operator's hand in line with the stapler head for applying downward pressure when fastening PEX to foam board and for lifting and carrying the tool. The stapler head holds the PEX in place as a lightweight, non-stick polymer slide delivers staples to the plunger assembly while directing weight over the stapler head. And a smooth, non-jamming stapling action is assured with a leaf spring-controlled stop that automatically adjusts to set up and guide each staple into the foam board without risk of the staple fastener deforming or failing. A sturdy, retractable wire-form stand allows the stapler to remain upright when not in use or when reloading staples. Easy-loading Malco staple strips of 25 are joined together with an invisible plastic micro-weld that allows the staples to separate cleanly as they are engaged in the stapler mechanism. A staple weight added to the magazine slide ensures a smooth, steady feed for uninterrupted stapling. Extra sharp, dual-barbed Malco staples increase bite and holding power in 1-inch and 2-inch foam board. Additional barbs on the popular 2.5-inch size staple actually doubled its holding power in 2-inch board. Fast, easy, reliable. The Malco foam board stapling system. Look for it wherever professional quality tools are sold.